welcome to Number of the Day. Now, so excited because obviously our last number of the day was 20, so that means that we were out of the numbers in the teens and we're now in our numbers in the 20s. So 20 was here. We know that our number of the day is one more than 20 and one less than 22. So if you think you know this number, say it now. Excellent. I can hear lots of you saying 21. Let's see if you're right. Absolutely fantastic. So now that we are in our numbers in the 20s, that means that the first number will be a 2 because that signifies that it's a 20 and then the unit. Okay, so the first number is a 2, it's 21, so then the next number is 1. So magic pencils out, and we're going to go over the 2 first, around, down, across, off, and then 1 off. Brilliant. That's a pretty easy one because we know both of those numbers really, really well. So point to a window and trace it, over to the door, over to the ceiling, somewhere in front of you, and of course on your forehead. Brilliant work. Let's see what we've got in here. So you can see this here. This is Mikkel's favourite. We have got the Numicon. So we have got 2 lots of 10, and because we're in the 20s, we then have an extra one there as well. So put 10 in your head, let's count together. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. Fantastic, so excited. Let's get on with our learning.
Come on everybody and do the 10 dance. Grab your partner and head out to the dance floor. Come on everybody and do the 10 dance. Everybody's doing the 10 dance. 0 and 10 are doing the 10 dance. 1 and 9 are doing the 10 dance. 2 and 8 are doing the 10 dance. 3 and 7 are doing the 10 dance. Come on everybody and do the 10 dance. Grab your partner and head out to the dance floor. Come on everybody and do the 10 dance. Everybody's doing the 10 dance. 4 and 6 are doing the 10 dance. 5 and 5 are doing the 10 dance. 6 and 4 are doing the 10 dance. 7 and 3 are doing the 10 dance. 8 and 2 are doing the 10 dance. 9 and 1 are doing the 10 dance. 10 and 0 are doing the 10 dance. Everybody is doing the 10 dance.
I would really like to show you something that I've been working on. Now, as you can see, I have called this Georgie City, and I'm going to show you something a bit special. I'm going to switch these on once I've finished it. They are my city lights. So I have made a city using Numicon. Now the rule with my city is this: every neighbour, when you add them together, they have to add up to 10. So let's double check that I've done this right. Okay, so ooh, it looks as though I've done 2 lots of 5s here. Now we know from our 10 song that 5 and 5 make 10. So let me just double check. I pick up the 5. Does it fit in there? I was right. It is 2 lots of 5s. Okay, let's just double check by counting it all together. You count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Fantastic. I know that those neighbours can stay there in my city because those 2 buildings add up to 10. Brilliant. Let's check the next one. Now this one, ooh, this looks as though that's a 2 there. Using my number bond song, I know that 2 and 8 make 10. So let's just double check. Yeah, I'm pretty happy with that. Count it with me. We're not going to count this. We're going to use the trick we've been doing. Put 8 in your head. 8, 9, 10. Fantastic. So I'm very happy with the start that I've made so far in Georgie City, where all the neighbours have to add up to 10. Let's see, what can I do next? Oh, I like this combination. I'm going to go for a pink one. I know pink is 7, so I'm going to draw around this one. Okay. Making sure I get my windows in there. This is what I love about Numicon. Fantastic. So pop him back. So I know that that's 7. Thinking back to my number bond song. Come on, everybody. 7 and 3. 7 and 3. Let me find 3. Brilliant. Now I'm just going to double check this before I draw around it. So 7 in my head. 7, 8, 9, 10. Fantastic. Let me draw around 3. Oh, I am very happy with how my city is looking now. So I've got 3 different number bonds that I know they all add up to 10, but I've done it in different combinations. Now, I know that lots of you do have Numicon at home, and that's fine. If you've got your Numicon, you can use this, because this is going to be the task that I'm going to ask you to do today. I'm going to ask you to create your own city. Don't call it Georgie City, make up your own name. I want you to think of all of the different combinations that we've been learning, and I want you to draw this on a plain piece of paper. So I'm just going to think, if we don't have Numicon, that's okay. I'm going to show you what I'd like you to do, because you can still use the Numicon to help you. Okay, so for my next combination, so I've got 5 and 5, 2 and 8, 3 and 7. I would like to do 4 and 6. So I'm going to use the Numicon to give me an idea in my head. So that's 4 and that is 6. Oh, that's not 6. That's not 6. There we go. So we've got 4 and 6 here. Now, knowing that that's what they're going to look like, I'm going to take a picture of that. And this is what Numicon is brilliant at, because it's so colourful, so it's very good at staying in your memory. Okay, so I'm looking at what they look like. Okay, so one building's going to have 4 windows, one building's going to have 6 windows. Okay, and I'm now going to show you how I'm going to do it without the Numicon. And I find the easiest way is to start with the windows. So let's start with 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Brilliant. Now I draw around, so that gives me my building. And that's my Numicon, okay? I know that the next part of the number bond has to be 6. So I'm now going to draw my 6 windows. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then draw around that. There we go. Now, I didn't use the Numicon to draw around that, but I'm really proud of that. So I know lots of you don't have it at home. You can just always start with the windows, do what I did, start with the windows first and then draw around it. So let me just double check. I'm going to now count all the windows together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Fantastic. So this is your task for today. I would really love you on a plain piece of paper to do your own buildings as part of your city, okay? I cannot wait to see what they look like. You can colour them in afterwards, you can do them any colour. You can add bits to your city if you want to. I might draw a penny in there. I might draw her next to here. There we go. There's my little penny down there. You might want to draw a tree in between. Bit like my banana tree. Can do some bananas. It's my city, I can do what I like. Fantastic. So I cannot wait to see what you come up with in your city of 10, your city of 10 number bonds, where each neighbour, when you add them together, they add up to 10. Cannot wait to see it. Have a lovely day and see you tomorrow.